Hi guys, today I am back with another video. Today we are doing some makeup and we're gonna do date night edition, okay? So whenever my husband tells me, hey, we are going somewhere fancy, get dressed, this is normally how I'm gonna come about it, okay? So if you would like to see this look, then stay tuned. Do not go nowhere. Make sure that you subscribe, make sure that you like this video, and make sure that you share it with a friend, okay? So we are gonna get right into date night because it's one of my favorite nights ever to share with my husband. And you guys tell me how I did. So let's get right into it. Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. So we're actually back with another upload today. So this is a video I actually recorded about almost 2 months ago. Like it was actually in April. I just want to show you guys an updated like a date night routine. So on this day, I actually did go out with my hubby this night, and I decided to just get ready, do like a cute little look, and yeah. So if you like this video, make sure that you subscribe, make sure that you like this video, and also make sure you comment. Let me know how you like my little date night look, and we're gonna get right into this video. So I kind of need to add in like a small disclaimer. I got my eyebrows micro shaded, so my eyebrows always look like in a way that I have makeup on. And so with my eyebrow routine, it's very simple. I always just use like a pencil most of the time. Sometimes I will use gel, just depends on what I have at the moment. And I just go in on the ends and I pretty much just fill them in. But you guys, right now I'm actually adding Gorilla Snot, the hair gel, on my brows just to tame them. Sometimes my brows get a little crazy, and in this moment my ghetto self ran out of my eyebrow gel. So you know what, I used Gorilla Snot, and honestly it kept my brows down the entire time. So do I recommend? I guess, y'all, I would. I mean, I did it, it worked. So yeah. And then right here I'm just doing the normal concealer, and just ensuring that I get that nice little flawless look with my eyebrows. Okay, so I know I'm not the only one that used to watch beauty tutorials and then people would do their eyebrows off camera, and you'd be wondering like, dang, like, are you gonna do your eyebrows on camera so we can see how you do it? I used to always wonder that, and like honestly you guys, I know why the hell they do that, because doing your damn eyebrows on camera is one of them things that is actually very hard. Like I got real blessed this day for my eyebrows to come out actually nice. And like I said before in my little disclaimer, I did get my eyebrows micro shaded, so doing my eyebrows is way more easier than when I didn't have like a nice outline to, you know, kind of follow. My eyebrows weren't thin, but they were not as shaded, you know, and pretty much with your micro shading it just looks like your eyebrows are always done, like they always have makeup. So I'm pretty much just filling them in a little bit more and adding concealer. But yeah, I definitely understand why people would do their brows off camera. I'm gonna go in with my favorite moisturizer, and I think that it's so important to always moisturize your skin under your makeup, and of course some setting spray. Comment down below how you actually add your makeup on and what routine. I normally always go to my eyes first because I do shadows and glitters and I get fallout, so it kind of makes sense for me to do my shadow first, then my foundation. But however, I've seen people actually apply their foundation first and it still come out extremely flawless. So comment down below, let me know what works best for you and why you do it that way. Who knows, maybe one day I'll try to do my foundation first and see how it comes out for me. But right now I am actually going in with my I believe it's my Tarte eyeshadow primer. And I always use a primer before I ensure that I apply my eyeshadow, just because it works a lot best for me. A lot best for me. It works best for me when going in with my eyeshadows. And then right here, I am going in. So my outfit that I'm wearing is actually like a velvet dress. And so I'm going to go in with this nice kind of like fuchsia pink a little bit. It's going to get darker as I continue to apply, and you guys will see how this color plays out. So after applying the base color to my eyes, I'm going to go in with like a much darker pink and just apply this on the outer corners of my eyes, just to give that dimension of more color. So as you see, it's going to see it's like a little bit more darker than the color I applied earlier. Like I said earlier, my dress is like a red dark velvet type of dress, and as you see, once I apply that, it does give more color to the eyes. And then we're going to create my, what do you call this, crease. Why did I forget what my crease was? But yeah, so we've created a crease, and then I'm just going in with more glitter and some color inside my crease. Then I'm going to go in with like a dark purple, and I'm just going to lightly tap on the outside corner of my eyes, and it just gives that nice like little ombre pink look that I was going for. And then we're just going to repeat on my other eye. Alright, and here are both eyes done. I'm going to go in with some mascara. And now it's time to reveal the final eyeshadow look. Okay, and then I'm going to go in with my Fenty Beauty. You guys, so what I did notice about this color at the time is it's bright. It's a little, I guess, orange on me. So I do correct this by just adding in my concealer and doing my contour, but this does make my face look orange. I don't think it's the best shade, but then it's crazy, so let's speed it up. We're in June, right? I went back to Sephora to get colored again, and they gave me this color again. They said it was my color, but given I have gotten a little bit darker, or you know, I get lighter in the winter and then darker in the summer, so I don't know if that has a lot to do with it, but it matched more today than it did on this day. But yeah, so I go in with my concealer. I'm gonna go in with a little bit of a contour shade. I don't know what I was listening to, y'all, but I mean, it had to be good. And then I just pretty much go in with my contour shades on my cheeks, the lower part of my cheeks, and then I'm going to blend that out with my beauty blender. Another thing too about my contouring, I've learned a new thing since this day, which is crazy. It is so insane how better you get with your makeup over time, but I learned a new thing that I've been trying that really makes my makeup look super cut and fresh without all the other steps. So I'll probably do like an updated makeup routine because this is about 2 months old. I just needed something to upload before I upload my other video, and why waste this look? I really enjoyed making this look. But yeah, I'm just going in and blending. Something I learned too is like, when you want a good flawless look, it can be crazy in the beginning and then you don't know really how it's going to come out, but blending has gotten me through everything. Like, you got to ensure your looks are truly blended. Right now I'm just going to go in with my baking powder. I said baking powder, oh my god, well, what do you call it? I guess baking powder. I use Fenty Beauty for my baking, and I think this is like the honey, I'm not sure, but I love this shade just because it's not too bright white and it gives me more of that yellow or that glow. And then I just blend that out with a regular brush. Now, I know this is not the outfit that I'm going to end up wearing, but tell me why I sat here and did my makeup in a black shirt. Y'all, y'all. This powder is all over this black shirt. I mean, sometimes I do my makeup in like an old t-shirt or my husband's t-shirt. But I decided to do it in like a black shirt today, and y'all, a mess.
Child. Anyway, so.
But I will be doing an outfit change so you guys can see exactly how the look comes out. Okay, you guys, so I am actually double baking right here. And so when I have like a long night ahead of me or a long day ahead of me, I gotta be in my makeup for over 10 to 12 hours. I actually double bake. And you guys, this is where this helps me because I don't know about y'all, but I have really bad oily skin. Like my T-zone gets so oily and I'm looking like a damn grease bucket. So I like to double bake just based on it gives me a really matte look, and it also makes my photos look really nice. I know some people are like, that's a lot, it may be heavy, it may be hot. Not really. I use again the fancy translucent powder for my baking, and it is amazing, you guys. So only when I have a very long event I like to double bake. Right here, you guys, I am going to be doing like a cute little lip combo. I don't know what it is, or maybe it's just me, but I have been into my nudes. I have been only wearing nudes. My whole collection is nudes, and tonight I wanted to try something more pink, mixed with some brown and some gloss. And honestly, I really like the way this came together. So this is the ending look. This is pretty much how I am coming for date night. If you guys like this look, let me know. Leave a comment down in the description box. I am also going to insert some pictures right here of my full outfit so you guys can see exactly how date night looks for me. So you guys, I'm also looking for a very good foundation. If you guys got some good recommendations on some bomb foundation, I would love to see what you guys are currently wearing. So leave that down in the comments below. And I thank you guys so much for just tuning into my video. If you have not, make sure that you subscribe, make sure you like this video, and thank you guys for being here.